In 1997, I bought a pressure washer, and that pressure washer had an engine, a GX390 Honda engine on it. I used the pressure washer in the 90s and the 2000s, but then I let it sit from about 2013 to 2018. When I went to go use it, it wouldn't start. So I started doing the normal things, checking the carburetor, checking the spark plug, and I found out that the carburetor was bad. It had get gunked up. The spark ignition unit was also bad. So the first thing I was going to do is replace the carburetor. And I went online and I actually found the exact carburetor that came with it. It was part number 16100-ZF6-W12. I found this at Cycle Nations and they charged me $59 for the part. And I later found online with Amazon a kit. And the kit actually came with a lot more than just the carburetor. It came with an air filter, 2 spark plugs, a start switch. The switch didn't really work for my model of the engine, but everything else did, including the carburetor. And I got all this for $26. So hopefully this will help somebody else who goes through this trying to figure out what replacement number to use, what carburetor can be used to avoid spending the money I spent. All right, well, that's it. Thanks very much for listening. Take care.